Hello everyone, in today's episode, we will continue to showcase our brand's awning and highlight the advantages compared to other brands' products. L-shaped brackets, back panel, zipper, fabric, support legs, reinforced hinges, support arms, square tube material, water drainage system, embedded lights, tent annex, customized logo. L-shaped brackets, we can compare them into aspects. The design of triangular connecting plates enhances the stability and reliability of the L-shaped brackets. More holes provide greater adjustability and flexibility for the L-shaped brackets. Back panel, our brand's back panel is made of a single-piece aluminum material, without any welding points, making it more robust. It is wider, thicker, and heavier, providing enhanced load-bearing capacity. Zipper, our product philosophy, the most commonly used accessory should be of high quality. Details determine the customer's experience, and we only select SBS or YIC zippers. Fabric, our products offer 3 fabric options, 600D, for 20D, and 300 grams grid fabric, catering to various needs. They all feature a PU coating on the back, providing waterproof functionality. Oxford fabric is commonly used for tents, backpacks, and raincoats. The 600D and 420D are 2 types of Oxford fabric, with higher numbers indicating thicker and more robust fibers, making the fabric more durable, solid, and capable of bearing heavier loads. This fabric is often used for military backpacks or motorcycle covers. The 300 grams grid fabric is woven differently, making it less prone to wrinkling, more resistant to thread breakage, and giving it a more refined appearance. Many high-end brands use this fabric. Our sewing process utilizes double expansion thread stitching with a glued waterproofing technique. Double expansion thread stitching allows for the filling of gaps when exposed to water or liquid. The glued waterproofing further prevents moisture from penetrating the product's interior, making it suitable for use in damp or rainy environments. Support legs, our products come with 2 connection methods and 2 options for support pole accessories. Connection method, the support legs are securely fastened to the support arms through screw connections. The support legs are inserted into the corresponding holes by bending, which provides a more secure attachment compared to direct insertion, ensuring they do not detach from the canopy. Support poles, in the premium models, the support poles are fixed and adjustable in height using a buckle mechanism. In the standard models, the height is adjusted by rotating the poles in the opposite direction. Reinforcement plates can be added to the end and middle sections of the hinges to enhance the stability of the support poles. These plates also support the custom branding of the logo. Support arms, our brand's products feature a true dual arm structure that extends evenly to the end. Compared to a half arm structure, the even distribution of load-bearing pressure is achieved. The dual arm structure of our outdoor awnings provides better stability, load-bearing capacity, and coverage. Additionally, they are designed to be portable, foldable, and easy to store. Square tube material, our square tubes are made of 6065 aluminum alloy, compared to products that use 6061 aluminum alloy. The 6065 aluminum alloy stands out for its lightweight, corrosion resistance, and excellent oxidation resistance. Water drainage system, our products are designed with a water drainage system. The vertical support provides better stability and support, forming a certain slope to allow rainwater to flow downward smoothly. This design prevents water from accumulating during wet and rainy conditions. Embedded light tubes, our products have been upgraded with the design of embedded light tubes in the support arms. This design allows for convenient lighting, providing ample illumination in dark environments. Compared to separate lighting devices, it saves space, reduces the impact of external collisions, and avoids the inconvenience of installation and removal. It also enhances the aesthetics and simplicity of the product. Canopy enclosure, our sunshade products have outstanding appearance and excellent functionality. In addition to that, we also offer canopy enclosures as accessories enhance the functionality of your sunshade and provide all-around privacy protection and additional comfortable space. Custom logo. We support customized services to provide brand customization for our customers. You can have your logo customized on our product packaging, reinforcement plates, canopy fabric edges, and canopy enclosures. Through silk screen printing, we can showcase your brand style with exquisite craftsmanship and outstanding design. Our products create a unique atmosphere and add charm to your space. In this episode's content, we believe you have gained a preliminary understanding of the different parts of a sunshade.